Hello everyone, Riley here with the T-Storm Chasers. We will jump into our weather video in just a moment, but first here is a word from our friends at Cube Portable Storage.
What are you doing?
Decluttering?
Moving? Remodeling? In need of temporary storage, emergency cleanup, or just need to declutter? Cube Portable Storage has the perfect solution. Rent your Cube Portable Storage container today.
And don't forget, they got roll-off dumpsters for the other stuff. Call Cube Storage for all your moving needs.
All right, guys, good afternoon out there. Today is Thursday, May 28th, 2026. Let's go ahead and dive into today's weather video. Let's take a look here. Firstly, at our regional map. And today has been a very hot and warm day once again. For this time of the year, we are seeing temperatures once again in the 80s to low 90s across our region. Have a look at some of these numbers. We are at 86 degrees right now in Sioux Falls. We are at 90 degrees up in Aberdeen. We're at 82 in Pierre. It is slightly cooler out to the west. Worth noting there, 79 in Rapid City. Compared to where we've been, that's a little bit on the cooler side. In Nebraska, we're a little bit cooler. We're at 73 in North Platte. We are at 82 in O'Neill, 73 in Grand Island, 88 in Omaha. And into Iowa, we are warm. We're at 82 in Des Moines. We're at 86 in Ames. We're at 88 in Fort Dodge, 86 in Spencer, 82 in Mason City. And up into Minnesota, we are at 81 in the cities, 79 in Rochester, 86 in Fairmont, 90 degrees in Marshall. So overall, it is another warm and hot day out there. So if you like the warmer weather, get out and enjoy it. There is enough sunshine out there to go around, and the winds are fairly light as well. Now, looking at the radar picture, we are seeing some activity down south here into Nebraska. Have a look here at the latest radar scan. And if we put a loop on this, you can see the direction this is moving. We have widespread rain all the way down in Kansas and Arkansas, all the way down south. And this rain is moving north, and it's moving in a northerly direction into Nebraska. So Grand Island right now, we're looking at some rain showers. So that's also partly why Nebraska is seeing cooler temperatures today due to the rain cooler air. And Lincoln, Nebraska, seeing some rain showers even up towards Columbus and O'Neill, and even out towards just west of North Platte. There's some rain showers as well. So for our Nebraska audience, expect these rain showers to continue as we go throughout the remainder of the day today. So other than that, though, everywhere else, we're going to be seeing dry and warm weather. All right, so real briefly here, I just wanted to touch on this. Yesterday, we actually saw some brief landspout tornadoes near Sioux Falls, just east of Sioux Falls, out towards the Larchwood area and also out towards the Valley Springs areas. Those spots, we got lots of reports, and we got also photos and videos sent in yesterday. And to each and every one of you, thank you guys for submitting these pictures and videos. Here's a video from yesterday's landspout tornado. Again, this was near the Valley Springs area. So just a little bit east of Sioux Falls is where we saw a landspout here. And so again, these go from the ground up. These are not your typical standard tornado. We also did get a really good photo of that as well. So this was the main #1 weather story of the day yesterday. And again, thank you guys for submitting these pictures and videos to us. All right, we're going to get back to our weather video in just a moment. But first, sponsorship opportunities out there. We are looking for sponsors. So if you are interested in partnering with T-Storm Chasers and becoming a sponsor with us, feel free to reach out to us on our Facebook page or any of our social platforms, as well as our email or phone number. And we're also launching our new weather call system that is available now. Highly recommend. Sign up. It's $15 for a whole year, and you get life-saving phone calls from us here at T-Storm Chasers. It is a GPS-based system, so any warnings that are issued in your area during severe weather events such as tornadoes, severe weather, and flood events, any warnings that are issued for your immediate area, you will receive a phone call within seconds from us at T-Storm Chasers, giving you guys life-saving information. If you're interested, sign up today. Go to the website at tscalert.org. Now let's get back to the video. All right, so let's go ahead now and take a look at the severe weather outlook maps from the Storm Prediction Center for the next couple of days. We're not seeing any severe weather today, but starting tomorrow, we start to see a little bit of changes. Tomorrow in Nebraska, we could see showers and thunderstorms continuing, and in the panhandle of Nebraska, there actually is a marginal risk for severe weather for tomorrow. That includes Sidney and Scottsbluff, Nebraska there. In the panhandle, we're not seeing a tornado risk. This is strictly for some hail and wind threat there. And then for your Saturday, there is, in fact, a severe weather outlook. Have a look here. We are seeing that green marginal risk there, and that includes central and western South Dakota as well as central and western Nebraska. Now, it does go south all the way to Texas and as far north as Montana, but we do have a slight risk in yellow here, and that includes portions of western South Dakota and western Nebraska. So it includes North Platte up to Rapid City. So we are going to be keeping a very close eye on the weather on Saturday. I will be here in the studio, and if we get breaking weather, I will go live on Saturday. Rapid City, Phillip, Hot Springs, Pine Ridge, Martin, all included there in western South Dakota, slight risk in yellow. And then again down into western Nebraska as well, North Platte to Sidney, up to Valentine, and then over toward Chadron. So that is our severe weather outlook map for Saturday. We do have that 15% probability in yellow. All right, so switching gears now, let's go ahead and take a look at our future radar outlook. Let's go ahead and play this out for the remainder of today. Again, we're seeing those showers there in Nebraska. Now, as we head into your Friday, it looks like we are seeing the potential for more widespread scattered rain showers across the Northern Plains region. That would include Nebraska, South Dakota, Iowa. Minnesota kind of left out of this for now. Now, as we head into Saturday, we could see more widespread rain and thunderstorms on Saturday. Again, the thunderstorms and severe weather chances, again, are going to be out west. But in the east, we're still going to be seeing chances for rain and thunderstorm activity. So this pattern is going to break down, and it does look like we're going to get a tiny bit of a break from the hot weather. Instead of 80s and 90s, we're going to be in the 70s to low 80s across the region over the next couple of days. So today was the last really warm, hot day, and I'll get to the temperature map here in just a couple of minutes. But theme of this story, as we head into the next couple of days, into your weekend forecast outlook, we are going to start to increase our chances for rain and even thunderstorms. And then as we head into Sunday, there could be another chance for showers and thunderstorms for your Sunday. So that would be across our region once again, South Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska, Iowa. Scattered widespread rain chances. Now, this doesn't mean not everyone's going to get rain and not everyone's going to get rain all at once. This is, again, very hit or miss activity for the next few days. Now, if we look ahead here and take a look at next week, Monday, we could see another potential round of some scattered hit or miss type rain showers. Same thing on Tuesday. Same story. You're starting to notice a pattern here. This is a consistent pattern now. Each and every day, starting Friday and then lasting through your weekend and then into next week, we're going to be seeing hit or miss chances of rain and maybe thunderstorms. And same thing on Wednesday, as you can see here. Widespread rain again, but not, it's not going to be any major systems. We're not looking at any major systems here. This is all hit or miss scattered rain showers. And even Thursday, look at this, another chance here across our Northern Plains region for some scattered rain. And even Friday, look at this. This is out towards the end of the 10-day, but this is towards the latter part of next week. So basically what I'm trying to say here is each and every day we're going to be seeing hit or miss chances for some rain. Now this is good because we need any rain we can get. So, we'll pick up any moisture that we can possibly get. But it does look like with this pattern, the way it's shaping out, it's part of this omega block pattern that I was talking about. With that omega block pattern, you could still get rain, but the chances go down, and it's less likely for consistent rainfall. The pattern kind of remains the same. We have that low in the southwest and also in the northeast. And so, again, that omega block pattern is definitely a factor to this weather forecast, but we still can get rain and thunderstorms in our area. All right, so let's go ahead and look at these temperatures. And it is going to be a hot day for the remainder of the day today. So if you like the warmer weather, get out and enjoy it. I know some pools are opening, so be sure to take advantage of that while you can, because we're going to be cooling things off just a little bit, enough to where it's not going to be necessarily hot weather. Now, here's a look at tomorrow. So the pattern with this omega block has really caused a lot of different changes and variations of the weather. So the confidence has been back and forth on a lot of these model runs. So what that means for us is temperature-wise, yesterday we were forecasting 85 for Sioux Falls. Now today we're forecasting 75 tomorrow in Sioux Falls. So a lot of that has to do with the pattern and the differing weather models, and also chances for moisture around our region. Tomorrow we're going to start to introduce chances for rain, as I mentioned. 70s and 80s tomorrow for daytime highs, it looks like, across the region. And then for your weekend outlook for your Saturday, we are seeing 70s to low 80s once again for our region. So not hot anymore. The forecast has changed a little bit. So we're not looking at hot weather this weekend. That's good news. We don't need hot weather right now again, we're not trying to dry everything out. Now, Sunday, it looks like we're going to be seeing widespread upper 70s to low to mid 80s across our region. So again, not necessarily hot out there, but not cool either. It's kind of a slightly above average type pattern. And then Monday of next week, we're going to be roughly in the same ballpark here, upper 70s to low 80s. And Tuesday of next week, we're going to be seeing similar forecast. We're going to be seeing low 80s across the region. And then Wednesday, same story, upper 70s to low 80s. So the forecast really after today is not going to change a whole lot temperature-wise. We're going to be in the same ballpark each and every day, 70s and 80s. So that's going to do it for today's video. Just wanted to bring you guys the latest weather update for today. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like and drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts on this weather pattern. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoyed, and ring those notification bells so you don't miss any of our future videos. And check us out on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok so you don't miss any of our content over there. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.